Dear friends, the Syriac word Shafiro means beauty, and the Shafiro Fellowship is a beautiful initiative to support the families with special needs children. Shafiro includes members of the clergy and laity from India and abroad, and 100 plus families are connected online through monthly fellowship meetings of Shafiro. I have directly witnessed how this is an opportunity for such families to strengthen each other. Some dioceses have taken initiative to ensure the participation of such families of those dioceses. Also glad to let you know that a few parishes of the Gulf region and the USA are having Holy Kurbana for Shafiro families. Hope that those families with the persons with the disabilities who have not yet become part of Shafiro will join this and utilize this God given opportunity and benefit from this abundantly. May God continue to bless this wonderful mission of the Malangara Orthodox Syrian Church. Wishing you all a blessed Christmas and a happy New Year 2025.